Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today's episode, I want to show you guys 3 breakfast ideas if you are a busy girl on the go, aka all of us. So if you are rushing off to school, off to work, and you are struggling to find a good breakfast to eat, maybe you're stopping at McDonald's and you're having an egg McMuffin, no can do. Because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so we gotta get all good nutrients in for our bodies to have good metabolism the whole day, to have energy the whole day. So here are my favorite 3 breakfast ideas that you guys can do if you're struggling with time in the morning. The first recipe is going to be an egg muffin recipe, and if you guys have followed my YouTube channel for a little bit now, you guys have actually seen this recipe before, but this is a little bit different. That video was in 360 virtual reality, and I want to show you guys an easier version to follow. So here is what you will need: some eggs, peppers, onions, cheese, a muffin tray, and a little bit of coconut oil, canola oil, anything like that for a spray to spray the pan. So first things first, you guys can really take any veggies that you guys want to put in these egg muffins, but I'm gonna take some red onions and some peppers of all colors and just throw it on the saute pan right here. I have a little bit of canola oil spray already on it, so I'm just gonna toss them on there. All right, so as the onions and the peppers are sauteing, I'm gonna take my eggs. And I actually like to use a measuring cup with this because it has a little spout right here. So when I pour it into the muffin tray, it doesn't go everywhere. So I like a little bit of an easy way to pour it right here. Just a little extra tip. So crack my eggs in there. All right, whoops. Whip these eggs up. Perfect. And in the meantime, I did set the oven to 350, so I can just pop these egg muffins in the oven when I'm done with all this. All right, so once these are a little bit sauteed for about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna actually throw them in the egg mixture. Right on in there. Perfect. Then I'm going to take some of this cheese, put that in there as well. This kind of holds the muffins together. Perfect. I'm just gonna stir it on up. Kind of looks gross right now, but I promise it'll turn out really good. Nice. Then I'm going to spray this muffin pan just a little bit with a little bit of spray. Perfect. Then take this egg mixture right here and pour it into these egg muffins pretty carefully. You don't want to fill up the whole entire little cup of the muffins because these eggs muffins they grow just like cupcakes do. So make sure you don't overflow them. Perfect. So then I'm going to top off each muffin with just a little bit of cheese. This makes a great little crispy taste at the top of it, kind of like when blueberry muffins have that sugar crusted on them. Bad for you, but really good. All right, you guys, I am going to throw this in the oven and let's see how they turn out. The second breakfast recipe idea are some overnight oats. So this only takes a few minutes, but I love doing it right before I go to bed. It's so simple, so easy. All you gotta do, grab it out of the refrigerator in the morning and take it in your car, take it to work, take it to school, wherever you're going. So what you'll need are some rolled oats, some Greek yogurt, banana, almond milk, honey, And I like to use some chia seeds in this as well. Plus, I top mine with some blueberries, but you guys can use blueberries, more banana slices, strawberries, raspberries, anything you want to top these oats off with. But I think blueberries taste really good with it. So first things first, I have the oats in a little mason jar just like this. What I'm gonna do is basically keep them right there and just add into it. So take a scoop of the Greek yogurt, toss it on in there. Take a little bit of the chia seeds. These are great for energy. Perfect. Then I'm going to take just a little bit of a banana. This gives it great flavor and texture. A little bit of banana, smush it on in there. Perfect. Then, all right, I'm kind of making a mess. Then a little bit of the honey gives it great flavor, a natural sweetness. Perfect. And then some almond milk or milk of your choice. It can be regular milk, coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, whatever. I'm just gonna toss it in there. And as it's in the mason jar right here, I'm just gonna kind of mix it all together, really smash that banana and make sure all the ingredients are evenly throughout the mason jar. This actually looks delicious. All right, you guys. I wish you could smell this and look at this as up close as I am, because I'm getting super pumped about this. All right, so I'm not the prettiest mixer in the world, but hey, it's getting the job done. All right, you guys, so let's take a look at this. It looks so good. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours. I mean, if you get 4 hours of sleep, maybe don't do it right before you go to bed, but I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours and wake up, and it's gonna be great. This last breakfast idea, if you're a busy girl, is going to be my favorite smoothie recipe, and it's super simple, super easy. You guys can also just line up all the ingredients in the refrigerator or the freezer the night before too, so all you have to do in the morning is throw it in the blender. New tip I just learned, sounds so basic, but sometimes I get out all my ingredients, lay them out on the table, and then throw them in the blender. It's so much easier if you just take the blender to the refrigerator with you or to the freezer, and as you're standing at the freezer or refrigerator door, just throw them and dump all the good stuff, all the good nutrients in your blender. Really basic tip, but actually saves a lot of time, so you don't have to lay out all the ingredients on your counter. Anyways, I'm gonna throw in all my ingredients, which are some blueberries, raspberries, banana, almond milk, and almond butter. So all these will give you great energy in the morning, a great way to start your morning if you want, the really good almond butter, which gives this smoothie a really great texture and taste. So you have this natural sugar that will start your day great. So I'm gonna throw everything in here. And I'm only gonna use half of a banana. Some almond milk or milk of your choice, and a scoop of this almond butter. And then take all these ingredients and blend it on up. All right, so I blended it up. Place it in your cup, or you guys can take a to-go cup too if you are on your way to work or school. And this is one of my favorite smoothies. Super easy, super simple. Let's taste it. So good. So good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed these 3 breakfast ideas, and let me know if you try them. Write in the comments which one you think is going to be your favorite. I want to see what you guys like. Plus, if you guys like this video, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my website, Get Fit with Katie, and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like me. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all later.